Alright, so we got a box of goodies in today. These cost me about $2 a piece. And 1/30th scale, 3 boxes. Now I think all of them the batteries are shot, so we'll see. I'll be opening them up. Hopefully if I get one good one out of it, that's a bonus. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but there's 12 in here. It's a brand new case. Go, go, go. I'll open it up. Well, this one's open. I'll show you. Instructions are pretty simple. Put your batteries in the controller on the bottom of the truck. It's cool. It's got decent suspension. I can't wait to see how they run. But there's a, just like most air hogs or whatever, there's a little plug your controller into the little unit. We'll see how they rip. Lots of mumbo jumbo on the back there. These are Horizon Hobbies. I think they're like $30 new. But these are all brand new. Just, I think the batteries are shot. Kick flip in the BeatBOX. I got the BeatBOX. So, yeah, I'll go plug some in and see how they work. Pretty cool. They're a 1/36 scale by Horizon Hobbies. I think they're ECXs. Just plug them in the bottom like your standard, any of the toy grade helicopters and whatnot use the same kind of mindset. Battery, they come with 4 batteries, but they were dead, so I'm gonna have to get some batteries and see if I can get some of these charged up. Now, I bought these as parts only repair, but they're all in brand new box, so get a couple of these going. Maybe I'll give them away to some subs or something. I don't know. Haven't figured out what I'm going to do with them yet, but we'll see how many of them work. I'm going to have to open them to see if they work, though. Anyway, so you can see here's the instructions. Batteries in the bottom, cord, plug it in the bottom, push the button down on the controller. Now, it's pretty cool because, I mean, there's not a lot of movement, obviously. It's a little guy, but there's even a steering trim and a speed. So there's, you got your steering trim here and speed built into a little car. It's insane. So if I get one of these working, I'll be happy because I want to make a little indoor track. So anyways, see the rest of the instructions there. I'll do another spliced in video where I open the actual box, but it ain't nothing fancy. You get 2 pieces of paper and on this and a set of batteries. But anyways, let me see if I can get her charged, get some fresh batteries in there and see what happens. Oh, looks like the second one's charging. Push down on the on-off, CHRG, right? And that little light blinks inside. Of course, the spring on this one's a little goofy, but these things haven't even been open, so I'm hoping to get lucky. Maybe I'll get 2 or 3. Well, I'll come back in a second when it's charged for that. So I took them apart. Oh, I better turn that down. So I took these little guys apart. It's 4 screws plus 1 inside, so there's 5 total. Looks like they're using the wrong batteries. These batteries are a little wider than the cavity that was made for these. And if you look inside here, there's some corrosion already. So these lipos are probably garbage. I found some online. It's going to probably take 2 weeks to come in. I might try and find a 3.7 floating around somewhere. Got one that's charging, but it's been probably gonna leave it overnight. So if anybody's got any good ideas of how to fix these things, I got 12 of them, and if they are the batteries and I find out the battery's a couple bucks, geez, I'll get these back up and running real quick. We'll make some tracks and do some fun stuff. Anyways, this is just a rando video of some stuff I got. Hopefully you'll like it. These things are cool. Hopefully I get them ripping soon. So.